no more. Yeah. May I ask one last question?
Yes, go ahead.
So it's like two questions within one. So, who are exactly the descendants of Esav, meaning Edom, these days?
Edom, so we don't know who is Edom. It's a mixture of nations. I mean, they mix with Ishmael, we mix with other people. It's hard to know who is Edom. But I would say original Edom was where was it? Edom was maybe even Syria is today. Was it to the north, to the south? I don't exactly remember. But someone neighboring of Israel. So today, of course, there is different people. There are Ishmaelim, or a mix of Ishmael and Edom, right? And then they went to up north to Europe, right? And many European nations, like partially Edom, Germany, right? Of course.
No, because I was kind of connecting the dots. Of course, it's just like something I thought about, but I heard that the actual descendants of Edom, or the people that can be considered these days Edom, are as I mentioned, some people from Europe and perhaps England, the United States. And I was wondering that why if we make sense to say that the affinity that these people have towards Christianity is because they are descendants of Esav, meaning Edom, and Christianity started all from Esav himself, meaning Yoshke, which is like a reincarnation of himself. So I was wondering if one thing has to do with another, or not necessarily.
I think so. Yes. Yeah. So that's. I mean, it's at least it's one of the connections. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.